Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
This is not difficult. So I think the question statement should be clear. This is a list of vertebrae, and in a certain province. So for example, if we look at abalones, a permit is required for removal of abalones where first statement, second table. Okay. An X indicates that a permit is required to take the invertebrate from tide pools. Oh no, that is completely fine. An X. Oh, this one. Okay, okay. First one. A permit is required for removal of sea urchins from tide pools. Okay, all right. Well, this is a correct statement, by the way. English is correct, I mean. So let's first hopefully understand the table. So what does this X indicate? Can someone tell me what does this X indicate? That if the intent is to remove an abalone from marine life refuge, then the permit is required, right? While if abalone is to be removed from a tidal pool in provincial parks, then no permit is required, and so on. Okay. Now select correct if the information provided indicates that the statement is correct. If the information provided, this is the information provided. If the information provided indicates that the statement is correct. Okay, a permit is required for removal of sea urchins. So sea urchins, removal of sea urchins from the tide pools everywhere. So basically everywhere, I mean, that is implied here. Everywhere that a permit is required. Yeah. Everywhere that a permit is required for removal of abalones from tide pools. What do you think about this?
Correct.
How are you guys approaching this? A permit is required for removal of urchins. So are you looking at this first, or are you looking at this second statement? Very nice. So we'll look at the places where permit is required for removal of abalones. Right. So abalones is this. Now the question is asking that for these particular places, which is marine life refuges and national park, is a permit required for removal of sea urchins as well? Yes, for these two places, a permit is required for removal of sea urchins as well. So this is the one thing that you need to be clear about. In fact, the second one is also very similar. Mussels may be removed from tide pools without a permit And again, anywhere that octopuses may be removed from tide pools without. So again, which one would we look at first? Octopus. So what would we look at? Where can octopuses be removed from without a permit? So octopuses without permit would be national parks. Can mussels also be removed without a permit from national parks? Yes, mussels can also be removed without a permit from national parks. So correct. Okay. Now let's come to the third one. If a type of invertebrate, by the way, all these are listed as invertebrate. If a type of invertebrate may be removed from tide pools without a permit in a marine life refuge, it may also be removed from tide pools without a permit anywhere outside a provincial or national park. So tell me here, what would we look at first? Yes, what would we look at first? Marine life. Very nice. So marine life, where can invertebrate be removed without a permit? Mussels, right? Correct. So if a type of invertebrate may be removed, and what are the type of invertebrate, by the way? Limpets and mussels. Basically, the question is asking us now that can limpets and mussels be removed without a permit? Yes. Can limpets and mussels be also removed without a permit from anywhere outside a provincial or national park? What do you think? Notice these are provincial parks, these are national parks. So we have to look at this column. And if we look at this column, indeed, limpets and mussels can be removed from all other parks without a permit. So the answer is correct in all the three cases.